Thank you so much, guys. This is the committee, c'est le comité qui est avec nous. Et c'est un plaisir pour nous de travailler ensemble. So they are thinking, they are so happy, Pastor Tonya, because we came, we share with them some food, some rice, some beans, some spaghetti, some oil. We share with them some money too because they need money. Some of them, got sick. Some of them, got accident. So we have to continue with this process. So thank you so much. Thanks to everyone who participated to allow us to come here and Kai and South Haiti to help the people who is in need for food, for water, for medical staff. So I'm thinking to come back with medical staff because some of them need some medical staff. So think about this to put together some stuff, and we're gonna come after and help them with the medical medicine. Thank you so much, everyone. May God bless you. Yes.
Yes.
Hey!
Merci beaucoup.
It's good. The school is good. Yeah.